Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So special video today, Garage Tour 2.0. So a full tour of my detailing setup in my garage. Let's get this door open right away. So I'm gonna give you a detailed insight of everything that I have to detail cars. As you guys all know, I'm OCD about car detailing. So you're gonna see a couple of new equipment for my regular viewers out there. If you're new to my channel, consider clicking the subscribe button because I have many cool car detailing related stuff. So as you can tell here in the back right now, it's cool new cabinets from Russo Metal. So we're gonna learn everything there is to know about them. I'm gonna also show you everything else there is in this garage because it's been specifically made to detail cars. So without further ado, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and start the show. Alright guys, so my first video tour was super popular, and so I decided to do an update to a lot of stuff that's in this garage, so you're going to be a witness to this today. First and foremost, we're going to start with the Russo Metal cabinets. This is a high-end maker. This is as high-end as it gets. So I decided to choose color coordinated cabinets that I decided to choose because sky's the limit as far as the color combinations that you choose. And of course, there are important features that we selected for detailing. So first of all, these are all metal cabinets, and the drawers themselves, well, I remember when I went to SEMA show in Las Vegas last year, what impressed me the most is they can support hundreds and hundreds of pounds. I remember even with a drawer open, stepping inside it myself, and it supported my full weight, and I'm 6 feet 3 inches tall, and I weigh 240 pounds, so that impressed me. So if we have a look at how I organized my cabinets, by the way guys, I'm gonna have a complete overview, more in depth of the cabinets with a specialist from the company, so stay tuned for that future video because we're gonna learn exclusively on this channel all the features about Russo Metal cabinets. So here inside I got racks of car detailing equipment products that I use, so I can pull them out and easily reach whatever I need. So this was the entire concept. So in here I have different polishes, waxes, paint sealants, and all that kind of good stuff, a couple of ceramic coatings. Same thing for this other drawer here. So again, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but these are super high quality. I'm stoked to have the opportunity to have this in my garage. So again, I got a couple of shampoos here, glass stuff, a bunch of other car detailing products. So these guys make cabinets for high-end car dealerships, such as Ferrari, Aston Martin, and even Rolls-Royce. They ship in USA and Canada. So again, I'll make sure to include the links in the description under the video if you guys want to check them out because they make some high quality stuff. Now another neat feature that was specifically designed for Pan the Organizer, this here is my detailing cart, so I can simply roll it out. I got all my detailing gear and equipment in there. So I got a couple of polishers here in the bottom, a car dryer that I have there as well. So this is called their Multitech, very, very high quality and of course super sturdy. Here on top, I got a couple of microfiber towels, of course, some products. And if we look here on the side, there's a nice little hidden compartment that I can open. And look at that, I have access to some brushes that I need for tires, an inspection light, a little holder for my ceramic coatings. So basically everything I need to get the job done, roll it around. And when I'm finished with the job, well, I just store it away. And that is it, very, very convenient. So I roll this in there, shut the door, and that's it. It makes for a very clean setup. Now, if we continue on to here, well, we got this LED track light on the top that I can open and close with the push of a button. I got different storage options that I can put here in the back. The neat thing, it comes with some plugs here that I can connect power to. I even have some USB connectors here, so that's pretty neat. The top is this rubber padding, high quality. This is industrial or commercial grade. And if we have a look here in the drawers, the way I organize my things, well, again, it just allows me to store different stuff. I even have an integrated garbage here in this drawer here. So that's pretty neat, guys. If we move quickly to my other drawers, well, here I have my tools that are organized. What I like is these drawers fully extend so I can reach out and grab everything that I need. Here I have some polishing pads that I use when I'm polishing vehicles. In this other drawer here, microfiber towels. You're gonna see I just love high quality towels. The majority of them from the Rag Company and from Microfiber Madness. So high quality stuff. In the bottom here, I got some drill bits, some drills, and other miscellaneous stuff, including some brushes. Now here in the top cabinets that pull up and retract, again, easily accessible microfiber towels. This is pretty much all the Rag Company towels, a bit of microfiber madness as well. So you guys all know, Pan the Organizer loves high-end things, right guys? So stainless steel backing, very, very high grade. And yeah, again, this is just super sturdy. I hope you guys like the look. By the way, let me know in the comment section under the video, what do you guys think? Let me back up a bit, have a look at this. Isn't that beautiful? I'm super, super stoked and excited to even have the chance to have that in my garage. So next, I also thought about some shelving, of course, to have more storage. So here up top, I got a bunch of different ceramic coating options that are there. I have a few gallons here to do my mixes. As you can tell, quite a few, because this shelf here started to dip a bit. That's through all the weight. On this rack here, I got a cap from when I'm working outside if it's too hot. And I got these earmuffs. And why the earmuffs? Well, that's because I have a handy dandy car dryer. This is the my Master Blaster Revolution. So dual 4 horsepower motors for 8 horsepower total. This is super practical to dry the cars very quickly. And so yeah, what else do we have? Let's move on to this section here. If we can see up top, I have a Daikin heat pump. So it's good for heating and cooling because I use my garage all year long. I never stop. So this one here, well, provides heating and cooling. Also, I have a dehumidifier. So this unit here that I can move around. So when I'm washing my car inside the wash bay, inside my garage, well, of course, you want to remove all that humidity. We thought of using this space for car detailing. So the walls are finished with a kitchen bathroom paint. And the gypsum is some kitchen bathroom worthy, well, gyps or drywall, should I say. So that way, if anything does go on the wall, no problems, just wipe away and that's it. The garage itself is pretty wide, so I extended it because we built this house new. So it's 15 feet wide by 21 feet deep. It has pretty high ceilings. Talking about ceilings, if we look at the lights, these are Hypericon. They're 6500 Kelvin lights. These are LED tubes. They're 4 feet in length each. And I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So I have 9 times 4 feet of tubing. So that's 36 feet. That allows me to do proper detailing and of course to see all the defects when I'm doing paint correction, right guys? And the color temperature, of course, is pretty accurate. The CRI level on these things is pretty good. Now to continue on with the tour, here on the wall I have a couple of sprays in this Polka Premium rack. And also here more shelving units. Now these beautiful shelves again are by Russo Metal. So what we have stacked here is a couple of bits and pieces that I might need, more ceramic coatings. I just go nuts for ceramic coatings. Again, more sprays and other stuff that you might need in a cool, nifty rack. Again, the color coordination with the main cabinets is absolutely perfect. Here we have a shelving unit onto which I have the majority of my car detailing products as well. Yes, this is a bit crazy, I know, but it's because I love testing new products. And of course, you guys know through my videos and tutorials, this is the one-stop shop to learn everything new in the car detailing world, right guys? What else do I have? Well, I have some equipment here. First of all, I have a rolling creeper that I store underneath my sink. And talking about sink, by the way, this has hot and cold water if you want to have a close-up look of that. So I can use that up to fill my buckets with hot or cold water as I need and to clean stuff. I also have a McCulloch MC1385 steam cleaner to get the job done. Here I have my Rigid portable vac. So this is a wet and dry vacuum. This is 4 gallons, 5 peak horsepower. This is a classic in the detailing world because it can roll. So that's pretty much it on that side. I got a, here I got a holder for my foam cannon, very practical. This is my MTM PF22 foam cannon. So I like everything organized. Now these cabinets, of course, another cool trick is that they're made out of metal. So here on the side, I'm able to put my Scan Grip lights that have magnets on them. So I pull them out and then I can use them when I'm detailing vehicles. And then when I'm done, boom, they just stick right there. What else do I have? Well, because I like organizing the garage, well, stuff like brooms, of course, are all on these racks here. So very practical. It keeps them off the ground and it makes just things look a lot nicer. I have a recycling bin here. On this side now, we have my famous Kranzla 1122 TST. So this is a high-end pressure washer with a Mosmatic gun and wand solution. So this here is the gun and the wand. This is made in Switzerland, and this machine here is made in Germany. In Europe, you guys know this model as being the 1152 TST, same thing. So this baby pushes out 1,400 PSI and 2.1 gallons per minute of water, but it's really the build quality. It's second to none, super heavy duty machine. Then we move on to a question that you guys often have. So what garden hose setup do I have? This is a high-end setup by Ely Hose Reels in the USA. So this is a 3/4 inch polyurethane high-quality hose. This is their garden professional sprayer. So I think they call this the professional sprayer nozzle set. So very good sprayer. The hose reel itself, of course, Ely Hose Reels. This is cast aluminum, so very, very heavy duty. Here I have different buckets, all on casters, of course. And inside the buckets, well, I have the dirt traps. These are from the Detail Guards. So this is an evolution of the classic dirt trap, or in the bottom, as we say, the grit guards. On the sides here, I have these bucket organizers called the Buckanizers. So I can put my brushes and my mitts while I'm lugging this around. Here I have a dual setup, so the wash and rinse buckets. Again, on this nifty trolley. I have this mat that I can place on board by Obsessed, so I can sit, if need be, on there. I have another rolling creeper with stuff that I can put on the side there when I'm detailing, so this is pretty cool. And, well, what else? I have a tool belt here that I have from Detailer's Helper. So this is their HD unit. You put it around yourself, and you have access to your microfiber towels, your ceramic coating bottles, a bunch of other stuff. When I'm done, boom, I just hang it up there. Again, more storage up here. On this rack, I have a bunch of sprays that I commonly use. So anything from Super Clean, so this is an all-purpose cleaner degreaser, all the way up to my tire cleaners, my wheel cleaners, acid-based wheel cleaners, and clay lube. So these are readily accessible. You take your spray bottle, you use it, and then you hook it back up. So that's pretty cool as well. The flooring itself, that's special. It's by a company called Zone Garage. So it's a patented design. So it's basically a coating. They call this polyurea. So this is impact resistant, UV resistant. It has an anti-slip coating on it. And basically it makes the entire garage watertight. And I went one step further to make it even more watertight. We brought this up the wall, about a foot up high. So basically wherever there's water, it doesn't really matter because the garage itself is protected. So guys, that's pretty much it for the tour. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like these kinds of videos, show me your support. Smash the thumbs up button, by the way. I want to thank Russo Metal. Of course, it's a Canadian company. They ship in USA, Canada, and they make probably the best cabinets on the market. How I discovered them again was at Las Vegas. So at the SEMA show in 2018, I was doing the tour with my buddy Matt Morman from Obsessed Garage. You guys might know him. Matt, by the way, salutes to you. Well, he introduced me to Russo Metal, and I remember him saying that this was as high-end as it gets, and I just fell in love. So again, thanks to Russo Metal for sponsoring this video and making all of this possible. They did not pay me for the video, however, they did provide these cabinets for me to enjoy. And by the way, I have a future update coming soon on the channel, so stay tuned. We're gonna have one of their representatives comes and we're gonna geek out together on all the details about these cabinets, so stay tuned for that. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a second and click the subscribe button that's found under this video, and that way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos, so you can continue to learn more about car detailing, all the tips, tricks, equipment, and techniques. And of course, also, I'm gonna leave all the details in the description under the video. Did you like the tour, by the way? What's your favorite part of my garage? Why don't you let me know? Drop a comment in the comment section under the video. And yeah, if you want to see some future stuff updated, just let me know, guys. In the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.